Click on the subscribe button and make sure you hit the bell icon to not miss any of our brand new videos.
Hello friends, this is Deepika from Nothing Wire, and today's tech chat is about the newly launched Samsung Galaxy A7. So there was an earlier variant of Samsung Galaxy A7 2017 also, but now it is the totally new variant of Samsung Galaxy A7 2018. And sometime back, the Samsung Galaxy A7 was debuted in South Korea, and today it has been launched in India. So this time Samsung has come up with some really new features like the triple rear camera and the fingerprint sensor in the power button. Price range of Samsung Galaxy A7 starts from 23,990. So in this video, let's quickly discuss about the specs of the new Samsung Galaxy A7. Let's firstly discuss about the screen. Screen is a Full HD plus 6 inches. A Super AMOLED display screen with an infinity display. It has a Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection, and front and back is glass and the frame is aluminium. So the phone also comes with IP68, that means it is dust and waterproof. The fingerprint sensor is inside the power button. The moment you touch the power button, it also recognizes your fingerprint and opens up the phone. The second new thing is the triple rear camera. So the primary lens is a 24 megapixel. Then there is an 8 megapixel wide angle lens, which has around 120 degrees of super wide angle, ultra wide angle you can say. And then the third lens is a 5 megapixel bokeh effect lens, through which you can create a live focus stories and photos. The front camera is also good, which is 24 megapixel again, and it has also a LED flash. The phone is powered by a Exynos 7885 processor, but the only weak point, the drawback of the phone, I think, is the 3300 mAh of battery. That should have been at least 4000, because in India battery becomes a decision making point whenever a person is buying a new smartphone. Also, Samsung Galaxy A7 supports Dolby Atmos sound. 360 degree effect sound will be there whenever you play games or watch or stream videos. So there are two variants which have been launched: 4GB plus 64GB. Other one is 6GB plus 128GB, and also you can expand the storage with the SD card, which is expandable up to 512 GB. The price of the 4GB variant starts from 23,990 and the 6GB variant is 28,990. This phone is a Flipkart exclusive phone. It will also be available on Samsung's own online store, and also will be there on some authorized offline stores of Samsung. You can avail the launch offers. The major one is a 2,000 rupees cashback from HDFC Bank, and the sale starts from the end of September. This is it in the tech chat in this video. We'll be back soon with another tech bite. Till then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you and bye.